Yeah, let's wait and see.
Are you in defense mode?
Did he do it yet? He looks like he's getting ready.
He already did.
Oh, he did? Maybe he's gonna another. Oh, there he goes. He's having another one.
Is that water he's drinking?
Yeah.
I can't. Why does he move by himself?
Because he's thirsty.
Yeah, but Daddy, I want to feed him some milk.
Well, he only likes to drink water.
I want to give him some water.
Well, he's drinking it right there. Watch. Here he goes.
Why does he not want to get his hat wet?
Do you want to get your hat wet?
Yes.
Oh, well, when you wear a top hat that's blue, you can get your hat all wet.
Okay. I'm going to get his hat all wet. Hi, bird. Hi, bird. He won't say hi.
Well, it's because he's busy drinking.
When will we stop drinking?
I don't know. When do you think he'll stop drinking? He's probably pretty thirsty. He's been in that box for a long time. We'll have to see if he ever stops drinking. Hey, he's red just like your early bird. Vanilla bird is red.
He has the same color.
Mm-hmm. He does. He has green feathers.
Daddy,
Yeah, honey?
can I feed him some water?
Well, I'll let you. You can put his glass in front of him if you want.
I want to give my glass to him.
Well, not right now. Let's let him drink his water first, and then we'll figure that part out next, okay?
I'm probably sure that he will drink it all.
You think so?
Can I touch?
One finger and very gentle. Okay.
I touched his feet.
You did.
And it got me wet. Okay, now you go and I won't touch it.
Okay.
Go hide and I won't do it.
Okay, don't touch it.
Please don't dance and please don't look. Please don't look, Mommy. Look.
Many Sasquatch researchers have noted that there's a connection between UFO activity and Bigfoot activity.
Now you can come out.
Okay. Did you touch? Good, I'm glad to hear it.
You didn't look, didn't you?
That's right.
Why does it have some water in its ball?
Oh, in its tummy?
Yeah.
Well, just because that's where it keeps its extra water in case it gets more thirsty.
I see more water came up again.
Yeah, it does. That's what it does. It goes up and down. Watch carefully. And then he drinks and all the water goes down. And it comes back up. That's how you tell how thirsty he is. If the water goes all the way up, it means he's thirsty. And so he has a little drink of water. Pop. And then he's not thirsty anymore. He's getting thirsty again.
Why does he have a white thing?
What's the, wait, you mean is this stuff? Those are his legs. Should we name our bird? What should we name him?
I want to name him Honey the Bird.
Honey the bird? Alright.
That's like in Richard Scary.
Oh, Mrs. Honey the bear?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to name him Honey the Bird. Hey, that rhymes.
Honey the bird? not sure if it rhymes. It sounds nice together, but I'm not sure it rhymes.
Honey, her.
Honey, herd. They, not so much. Now, do you remember who gave me Honey the bird? That's right. Uncle Tim.
Why did you say that?
Because you're cute. So, should we say thank you to Tim? No? We should just take this bird and run?
Yeah.
Thank you.
I'm gonna let him drink all his water.
Okay, we'll let him drink all his water.
I'm gonna give him my glass of water now.
Okay.
He drank enough, so I can give him my glass of water.